Let's go look at beautiful nature. Hear the birds. It's a beautiful day, isn't it, outside? Hi, people, and your handsome boys. Oh, we got a tiger coming. Shh. Oh, there goes the tiger. Okay. That's close. It didn't attack us. I mean, didn't attack me. Let's go see any. Oh, there's a bird. Is that an ape? No, that was a bird. I don't see any monkeys around here. Kitty, 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 kitty. There's a lot of animals, nature, look at. Desert, water. I'm so hot in the desert. I should drink some water. I'm not thirsty. Let's go over here. Oh, look at the bird. Sparrow. It's gone. I saw a sparrow. Okay, let's go look at some wildlife animals over here. Any squirrels? I don't see any squirrels. Oh, there's another blackbird. Take care of her babies. There's one of them. Oh. Learn how to fly. But we should leave the mother alone. We don't want to disturb them. We have to be quiet. We don't want to hurt them. Okay. Another tiger. Just be very still. Okay. A tiger. Whoa, that was an adventure called The Wild Animals. So, hope you don't forget to subscribe to this channel and bye. My crazy video. Bye. Woo!